I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an Audi RS6 in GTA 5. First, you'll need to select the right base vehicle. The Obey Omnis EGT or the Obey 8F Drafter are excellent choices for their similar body styles. Head to an in-game website like Legendary Motorsport or Southern San Andreas Super Autos to purchase your chosen car. Make sure you have enough in-game cash, typically between $100,000 and $200,000 to get started. Next, let's focus on the exterior. Drive your new car to Los Santos Customs. For paint, consider a metallic dark gray like graphite or a deep blue. Choose a front bumper and grille that gives it an aggressive, sporty feel, similar to the RS6. Don't forget the wheels. Sport rims with a dark finish will really complete the look. Experiment with different options to find your perfect match. Now let's get your RS6 replica performing like the real thing. At Los Santos Customs, invest in engine upgrades to maximize acceleration and top speed. This will give you that powerful feel. Upgrade your brakes for superior stopping power, crucial for high-speed driving. Finally, enhance the suspension to improve handling and give your car a more aggressive, lower stance, just like a true performance wagon. For the final touches, personalize your RS6. Tint the windows for a sleek look and create a custom license plate to make it truly yours. You might also consider adding a subtle spoiler or a rear diffuser to enhance its sporty aesthetic. Once you're happy with your creation, drive it into your garage to save all your modifications. Now you have your very own Audi RS6 inspired car in GTA 5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.